Yo, this is the power of five stocks. I'm gonna be giving you five stocks so we can day trade tomorrow. I've been back testing my strategy. I have been improving it. So now what I'm going to do is use it in this video and use it forever and now on. You know what I'm saying? So let's get straight into it. Let's see the results of tomorrow and Friday, and let's see if the strategy actually works on live markets. You know what I'm saying? Because that's the only way I can actually be authentic. You know what I'm saying? So might as well put it to the test. All right, but honestly, let's go. I'll be honest, and that's what it is, man. Who gives a fuck? So now we're starting to follow the trend. So whatever the trend goes, I'm on the trend. How do we spot the trends? Let's get into it. Now, as you can see, we're on the daily. We're on Starbucks. We're on the daily time frame. As you can see, it broke structure to the upside. Up candle, down candle. That's a high. Boom. This blue candle closed above the high. So now we are bullish. Let's go into the 4 hour. 4 hour is bullish as well. Now let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, so now, as you can see, up candle, down candle is a high. So if the so we know that this is a high. So now we scale into the 15 minute. And so if a 15-minute candle breaks above this high and then retest this order block, you will be going long. You know what I'm saying? Go long. I have been backtesting the strategy. This is with the trend. And then what is our take profit? Our take profit would be these highs. Where's our stop loss? Our stop loss would be this 15-minute low if it breaks above this. Now, if this doesn't do what I says it's going to do, don't trade it. If it breaks structure to the downside, don't trade it. That's what it is. If it gaps up, wait until it retraces into the gap. That's it. But still, the daily's bullish and the 4 hours bullish. So we will be only looking for longs until proven otherwise on a higher time frame. Let's go to Tesla. Tesla, as you can see up here, it says daily and 4 hour bullish. Let me show you guys. Okay, so as you can see from down here, up candle, down candle, we already are bullish. Boom, retrace into the order block. If you went long, you would have got paid. Let's go into the 4 hour. 4 hour right here. As you can see, a down candle can't break a high, but this blue candle did. So now let's go into the 1 hour. This is a high. If a now you scale into the 15-minute when market opens. You scale into the 15-minute. If the 15-minute candle breaks this and then retest the order block, you would be going long because the daily and the 4 hour is bullish. You have to go with the trend. Before my old strategy, I didn't go with the trend. I just said if this does this, this is gonna happen. But I'm giving you real trend knowledge. I'm really saying that we are going with the trend. That's all I'm saying. Let's go to the daily on this one. On the daily, as you can see, we are neither bullish or bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we are bullish. As you can see, this blue candle confirmed that we are bullish. So let's go to the 1 hour. Now, that's a high, 1 hour high. You scale into the 15-minute. If the 15-minute candle breaks above this, let me draw it out for you guys. 15-minute candle breaks. Boom, you go long. 15-minute candle breaks, retraces into the order block or the fair value gap, whichever, and then you would go long. Okay, guys? And then our take profit is here at these highs. Why is it there? Because that's 4 hour liquidity. That's a 4 hour high. Now, MRK, I haven't been listing the names, but y'all can see on the top where I switched to them. All right, anyways, daily and 4 hours bearish. So as you can see, daily broke structure to the downside, confirming that we are bullish. Down candle, up candle is a low. Take the lowest of the 2 wicks. Did it close below the low? It did. So therefore, we are now bearish. Going to the 4 hour, we are still holding that bearish bias. Going to the 1 hour. Now, as you can see, this is a 1 hour low. If a 15-minute candle breaks below this low and then retraces until the order block, you would go short. You know what I'm saying? And that's all. I literally just drew it out. I didn't even gotta explain it, bro. And that's it, bro. Okay, now this one is a different. It's different. It's different. Let me explain. We go into the daily. We are bullish. We just broken the structure to the upside. But what do you notice? A fair value gap. You would take you would take the top of the second candle and to the bottom of the fourth candle. Why do you do this? There is no wick below this low. There's no wick below this candle. So therefore, when there's no wick, that means price can eventually tap back into this fair value gap. What are we going to wait on? 4 hour also broke structure up as well, right here, confirming our bullish bias. Now let's go into the 1 hour. Now, what do I expect with this to do here? I expect it to hit this fair value gap. Maybe you can just enter right when it hits the fair value gap and then you go long until this gap. Or if you want to be safe, you would wait until it hits this gap. You would scale into the 15-minute. And then once you're at the 15-minute, you need an up candle and a down candle. And then a candle that breaks above those highs will be confirmed bearish. And then you would just get in at the order block. But that would all have to happen within the fair value gap. Once price hits that fair value gap, you scale into the 15-minute. You're like, okay, I'm gonna wait for a 15-minute break of structure to the upside, wait for an order block entry, and then you would enter. I know that's a lot, but it's gonna work. Trust. But yeah, man, that's power of 5 stocks. I just gave you 5 highly probable profitability trades right there, and I'm gonna do a trade recap tomorrow. So we'll see how they play out. I'm out. Y'all have a good one. Oh, also, I've been doing 200 push-ups a day. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday I did 50 push-ups. The day before I did 20, and then the day before that I did 200, and then today I did 210. Why did I do 210? Is because my uncle is over, right? And he's like, "Oh, I already did every single day. Every single day he's been here, bro." He's like, "Oh, I already did 200 push-ups." It's like, how the fuck? How the fuck? I just like literally today. I woke up at like I think 10 or 11 because the market didn't open, and then boom, I go in the kitchen. He's like, "Oh, I already did 200 push-ups." The day before, bro, I woke up at 8. This fool said, "Oh yeah, I already did 200 push-ups." I'm like, how the fuck is he working more than me? And I just woke up, bro. I just woke up, and now it's like, okay, now I need to. I don't know, bro. You just need male competition, and then once you get male competition, it's gonna push you to be better. Why, why are we doing push-ups, bro? Because that makes us it makes us built, it makes us stronger. So it's like if we're in competition of always trying to do more than each other, or maybe it's just simple motivation, bro. Maybe it's just simple motivation. It's just like he already did 200 push-ups, so now I feel like I have to do 200 push-ups. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not gonna just sit there and be like, and I ain't gonna lie, when I did those 50 and 20 push-ups, those were I still did push-ups. But if he wasn't here and no one else did push-ups, I probably never would have done push-ups. But he's already like, oh, I did push-ups. So now I feel obligated to do them to prove that, or just for myself, to be honest. That's it. I'm out. You have a good one.